Brevo SMS Marketing Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Brevo for SMS marketing. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Brevo, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Brevo, it is a comprehensive marketing platform that offers a wide range of features for managing email campaigns, creating landing pages, and processing customer data. And the platform is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful tools for creating visually appealing landing pages with features like A/B testing, analytics, and dynamic content. Brevo's upper drag-and-drop editor allows users to create landing pages in minutes, and integrations with popular third-party services like Google Analytics make it easy to track customer conversions and optimize the page for maximum impact. And now, to start using this platform, Brevo, we can now proceed by clicking or entering here our email address, and just proceed by clicking Get Free CRM button. And after that, on this page, all we need to do is to simply sign up using our Google, Apple ID, and even our email, and generate our own password below. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which all you need to do is to simply fill out your first name, last name, your company name, and your website. Then just click the continue button below here to proceed. Then from here, you will be able to be directed on this homepage of Brevo, in which this option is designed to provide users with centralized platform for managing their marketing campaigns, since it offers a comprehensive suite of tools for creating and sending newsletters, landing pages, and forms. And as you can see here, you could also see the number of total contacts, the amount or list of your recent campaigns, and any other details in here. And aside from that, this platform also offers a user-friendly interface that allows users to easily design and customize the content using drag-and-drop editors. Now moving on, we can also proceed or navigating some other option on the left side panel, starting to this contacts option right here. By simply clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page, in which this option is designed to manage and organize contact databases, in which it provides users with centralized platform to access, manage essential contact details such as first and last name, email address, and other relevant information. And now to create a list, you could also click the Create List button on the top right corner in order to create a new list. So basically, this contacts option in Brevo is crucial for businesses looking to personalize their marketing efforts and maintain effective communication with the target audience. From here, you could also import a file, copy paste, and import from another tool. So for instance, we're going to create a new contact. Just click this Create a Contact button on the top right corner, and it will show you on the right side panel some of the options that you can start filling out in order to start creating a contact, including first name, last name, email address, phone number, and other details in here. Or alternatively, you could also import contacts if you want to. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate here these campaigns, in which it is designed to manage and track email marketing campaigns. It provides users with a comprehensive suite of tools to create, send, and analyze email campaigns. And from here, you could also create an email, SMS, WhatsApp, web push, Facebook ads, templates, statistics, and many more. Now moving on to automations option, in which it is designed to streamline and optimize marketing workflows by automating repetitive tasks. From here, you could also create your first automation if you want to by clicking this button, Create Your First Automation. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also navigate transactional conversations, deals, meetings, and calls. But to start creating an SMS marketing on Brevo, we can now proceed by clicking the campaigns option on the left side panel to do that. And from here, just click SMS, or you could also click this WhatsApp, since both options actually shared or offer the same process on how to add a marketing SMS on Brevo. So as you can see, I just choose this WhatsApp, and below here it will show you all of your campaign that has been created for WhatsApp. But to create a new one, just click this Create Campaign button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, all you need to do from here is to simply enter the name of your campaign. So let's say I'm going to enter here Sample Campaign. Then click the Start button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, all you need to do is wait for it to load. Then from here under Sample Campaign, just fill out all of the required information, including this from or to choose which WhatsApp business account you will show. You can simply enter here the WhatsApp phone number, but it says here that you also need to log in to Facebook and link your WhatsApp business account. And to do that, just click this Manage Settings button right here. And upon doing so, you will be directed in here, and all you need to do is to simply log in your Facebook by clicking this button. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to simply fill out your phone number, which you must have a valid and dedicated phone number to use WhatsApp Business API. can proceed by syncing your Facebook account, and also you should have a personal Facebook account that has been linked to your business email. And after that, for the next step, which is the business details. All you need to do is to simply link or fill out all of the required information of your business details. Now going back in here, aside from, you could also navigate here, this tool, which is to select a list of recipients. From here, you could also select a contact list, clicking this top-down menu, in which below here it will show you the list of your contact and even the segments. So after selecting your contacts, you can now proceed for the step 3, which is this message content. But I'm going to discard this part right here at this point. Moving on to start creating a message content, just click this button, and in this right side panel, you can start from scratch by clicking Start Creating button below. And under this Create a WhatsApp template, it will show you in here that all you need to do is simply fill out the template name, the template type, and also select your template language below here. And after filling out all the required information, just proceed by clicking the Start button below. After clicking on it, all you need to do is to wait for it to load until you will be able to be directed on this page right here. And as you can see on the left side panel, you could also navigate or customize the body of your message to the SMS or to the WhatsApp message, in which this will be the message that will receive by the customer. So for instance, I'm going to enter here, greetings. We would like to welcome you to our company. And to add header, just check or turn on this one. And from here, just simply enter the header that you prefer. So for instance, the text that I'm going to enter here is to our newly investors. And as you can see on the right side panel, this will be the message that the customer will see when they receive the message from the company. And aside from that, if you also want to add media, just click this media section. And from here, you can simply drag and drop a media from your media files in your computer and simply uploaded it in here, in which the image that you choose will be included in the SMS or in the message in this platform. So now as you can see, we have here added a message that contains an image in here. And now to save all of the changes that we just made, just proceed by clicking the save button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, all you need to do is wait for it to load until it has been saved successfully. However, make sure that you also fill out the step 1 and 2 before creating a campaigns or SMS campaigns in here. So basically, all you need to do to create a campaigns or SMS campaign or marketing, just fill out all of the required information in here under from, to, and message content. And you could also schedule to send this campaign depending on your preferences. Now moving on, if you want to upgrade your plan, just click this usage and plan option on the top panel and kindly click this manage your plan and credits. And then from here, it will show you all of the plan that they offer. We have here free plan, starter, business, and enterprise plan. And below here, it will show you the corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan. So overall, that is just basically how you can create SMS marketing on Brevo. Thank you.